This is the Vivo Y28, the slimmest phone with a 6000 mAh battery. And today we are going to talk about the specs. Quick unboxing, it comes with a 44-watt charger, USB cable, SIM ejector tool, and a free flexible phone case. So let's talk about the specs. Note that this is not a review. Let's start with the display. This is a 6.68-inch HD Plus display. It has a resolution of 1608 by 720 and has a maximum refresh rate of 90 Hz. But in this case, you can see that the maximum can be reached when you select Smart Switch. Switching to the CPU, this phone is powered by a Helio G85 octa-core processor. It is the MT6769V CZ MediaTek Dimensity 6020 processor. It has 8 cores, 2 of which are 2.2 GHz Cortex-A76 and 6 of which are 2 GHz Cortex-A55. This phone also has a Mali G52 MC2 GPU. What about the RAM? The Vivo Y28 has 8 GB of RAM, which can be expanded up to 8 GB by using a part of the internal storage. So the phone that I have is 256 GB. It goes for 26,000 Kenya shillings, but you can get this same version for 128 GB for 23,000 Kenya shillings. The phone has the in-house built FunTouch OS 14, which is based on Android 14 operating system. And now the camera. The Vivo Y28 has a 50 megapixel main lens, a 2 megapixel bokeh lens. We have the flash over here and the dynamic light. I have a video about the dynamic light and I will post that in the pinned comment as well as in the video description. The maximum video recording quality is 1080p at 30 fps, and that's for both the rear and the front camera. Let's switch to the ports. Now at the bottom from your right, you can see that this phone has a 3.5mm audio jack, the microphone, the USB port, and the speaker. So this phone has dual speakers and the other speaker is located right above the front camera. So let's test the dual speakers, and this is the typical audio quality on the Vivo Y28. That is your right speaker and the left speaker right over here. So another thing that this phone has is volume boosting up to 300%. So that is quite loud and quite good. I'm particularly happy because this phone has the audio jack, because not everyone has those Bluetooth earphones. And this SIM tray can either hold one SD card and one nano SIM card or 2 nano SIM cards. So you have to choose. At the beginning of this video, I did mention that this is the slimmest phone with a 6000 mAh battery. Well, I have the gleaming orange version of the Vivo Y28 and it only has a thickness of 7.75mm. And it comes with this massive 44-watt fast charger. I will do a charging experiment video soon. Now let us switch to the sensors. We've already seen the fingerprint scanner. So this phone has an accelerometer, an orientation sensor, a magnetic sensor, the proximity sensor is available, light sensor, rotation, gyroscope, and gravity sensors are available. The temperature, pressure, and humidity sensors are not available. And finally, the game rotation, step detector, and step counter sensors are available. So those are the Vivo Y28 quick specs. So which phone would you rather buy? Would you rather get the 128 GB or the 256 GB version? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Let's meet in the next video and goodbye.